Okay, so this is practice 3, combination circuits. All right, so the first thing you want to do is recognize that this is a combination circuit, right? Because I see more than one branch, which means it's at least partially parallel. But in this second branch, there's 2 resistors in series. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and draw the schematic. Okay, so I'm going to have a ammeter here, and then my 2 paths. Whoops. Okay, and I'm going to leave out, again, some of the things because it's not going to fit otherwise. Okay. All right. So let's call this one R1, R2, and R3. Okay. And let's look at the table and see what we've got. So we know R1 has a drop of 20. So before we can do anything, let's go through and put in the voltages 0 all the way around, okay? And now I can see here, this resistor is going to end at 0, all right? And it says it has a 20 volt drop. So if that's the case, this is going to have to be 20 up here, which means all these ones along this path are 20, which means the total is also 20, right? Because that's one resistor in the path with the battery, in the branch parallel to the battery, okay? All right, let's see, what else are we given? The current through resistor 3 is 3 amps, which means that's going to be on this second path here. All right, we don't know anything else, so let's go ahead and calculate. V equals I times R. All right, so here for R1, 20 is going to have to equal 2 amps times 10. So I know this guy is going to have to be 2. Okay, R2 is on the same path as this 3 amp ammeter, so that's also going to be a 3. Okay, and remember, don't add them all up. There's only 2 amps coming on this path, 3 on this path, which is going to give me a total of 5 total. Oops, doesn't go there. 5 amps here. Okay, so 20 volts equals 5 times, this is going to be 4. Oh, did I not take this off again? Oh, mercy. Okay. All right, and then I equals 3 times 5, which is going to be 15 volts. Okay, so if this is going to have a drop of 15, 20 minus 15 means there's going to have to be 5. So that guy is going to have to drop 5, right, because this has to add to 20 for that whole branch. Okay, and so then 5 divided by 3 is going to be 1.7 ohms. All right, and don't worry about that brightness and stuff. Okay, all right, so for my diagram, let's do AB, C, C prime. Okay, but here's going to be my multiple paths, D, E, F. And so branch 1 is just going to go down to F. A, B, C, D, E, F, A. Let's go up to 20. Across. Okay, let's do the second branch first because it's a little trickier. So the first drop is going to be 15, which is going to go all the way down to 5. That's a minus 15. And then it's going to take the last 5. Okay. And then my other one is going to go all the way straight down from C to F. All right. And then that is number 1.